Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Lake County in south central Nevada until 9:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pahrump, SR-160. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Heavily terrain